This video is brought to you by Corgis.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Hello and welcome to another Naughty Egg Draw. I'm your lovely host Jake, and today is the first part of a three-part series where I'm going to take a sketch and bring it all the way to a 3D casted model. In this first video today, I'm going to be making some sketches, taking those sketches and making a more refined drawing. In the second video, I'm going to be taking the refined drawing that we make today and I'm going to be turning that into a clay model. And for the final and third video, I'm going to take that 3D model that I make and I'm going to cast it and paint it. This should be a lot of fun, and if you don't want to miss anything on this little mini series, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and let's get started on our sketch. So when it comes to getting the ideas down for something I plan to model, I tend to start very loose and I try not to get hung up on details too much. Now the idea of drawing a Corgi came from my friend wanting me to draw a picture of her lovely Corgi Jax here. So I thought, hey, why not go a step farther and draw a picture and make a cast model of Jax. At this point, I was trying to figure out how I wanted the silhouette to look. I was already loving the Astronaut Corgi idea though, but just to make sure, I made another page of some sketches with different themes like cowboy, doctor, ninja, just to see how I felt about it. But in the end, the Astronaut Corgi Cadet was the winner for this drawing. So going for my sketches, I went to a larger blank piece of paper to make a slightly more refined 3/4 view of the drawing. This will help me get a better idea on how I want it to look when I actually start modeling it in clay. Now it is up to you on how detailed you want to go with the more refined drawing, because in the end this is just to help give you a visual jumping point for your actual clay model. So I also added a more close-up view of the character's face straight on, and also decided to make a more detailed drawing of the jetpack in a top-down view to help me get a better idea of how I wanted to start modeling that as well. But at this point, you would be ready to take the drawing from sketch to clay, but I wanted to make the drawing just a little more pretty for all of you guys, so I decided to put some final line work and color as well. Alright everyone, that is it. The planning stages for what we are going to be modeling in our next video is done. And I think our little Space Cadet Corgi looks pretty darn cute, and I can't wait to model this in the next video. But be sure to keep your eyes open for that notification on the next video, and if you don't have your notifications on, what are you doing? Go over there, check, make sure everything is turned on for your notifications, I'll wait. Still waiting. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you haven't yet, make sure you smack that sub button and hit that little bell button so you guys know when I'm posting these videos. Still waiting. And like always, keep drawing, and until next time, bye!